abdominal exercise for you. So this is the Barbell Ab Rollouts. Set this up, you can use a full-size barbell, or you can use one of the wheels that has handles on either side. Those work great too. So you're gonna feel this all throughout your core. I use a pad, maybe a yoga mat, or a nice thick pad for your knees, and kneel in front of the bar. So you're gonna hold on to the bar, shoulder width apart, or just about shoulder width apart with your hands, and you're rounding up. So as you come out, you're letting the barbell roll on the holders on the side. So you roll it out, and using that core, keep it nice and tight, bring down as far as you can, and then you're gonna pull back in with your core to a nice kind of cat position. You loop these together, going down. So the challenge here is trying to pull it up and in, and really using your core as you're pulling up and in with it. So come out as far as you can, and then up. One word of advice, make sure you're not doing this movement on a gym floor or any kind of slippery surface. You want something that's got a little bit of tack to it, like a rubber gym floor, that won't let the barbell just slip out from under you. Because I've seen people let it go and they end up hitting their faces on the ground, and that sucks. So, barbell ab rollouts, just go as far as you can and pull it back in, really using your